All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'Shem, and the name of Mashiach Kabashai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Bashwakadash tongue, Barak to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Akwaf, when I say Shalom. And this is a quick sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of July the 18th, 2025. And it reads, this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. And it reads 5.0 earthquake recorded in the South Sandwich Island region, 4.9 earthquake recorded 85 kilometers southwest of Puerto Manduro, Mexico, 2.5 earthquake recorded 6 kilometers northeast of Meadow Lakes, Alaska. And I would say, like close to near that area a few days ago, you had a 7.3 earthquake in that area, and then you had the aftershocks of this world too. I just want to add a side note to that. And this is a 5.1 earthquake in the Kermadec Island region, 5.3 earthquake recorded 180 kilometers southwest Basquio, Philippines, 4.2 earthquake recorded 104 kilometers south of Wang Guap, Indonesia, 3.1 earthquake recorded 55 kilometers northeast of Punta Cana of Dominican Republic, 4.9 earthquake recorded 98 kilometers southwest of Puerto Manduro, Mexico, 3.1 earthquake recorded 95 kilometers south and southeast of Sand Point, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded in the Fuji region. 2.5 earthquake recorded 103 kilometers south and southeast of Sand Point, Alaska. 4.3 earthquake recorded 103 kilometers south and southeast of Sand Point, Alaska. In the same area of Sand Point got hit with that 7.3 earthquake, and there was a tsunami warning of that as well too, and the aftershocks of it as well too. 2.6 earthquake recorded 118 kilometers north of northeast of Isabela, Puerto Rico. 4.2 earthquake recorded 97 kilometers west of San Antonio del Las Cobras, Argentina. 3.1 earthquake recorded 112 kilometers south and southeast of Sand Point, Alaska. 3.4 earthquake recorded 12 kilometers east and southeast of San Pedro. Then Bokwas of Indonesia, Dominican Republic, if I pronounced that right. 4.4 earthquake recorded in the Fuji region. 3.2 earthquake recorded 45 kilometers east of Port Bellwell, California. 4.7 earthquake recorded 153 kilometers west of northwest of Tabalio, Indonesia. 2.6 earthquake recorded 58 kilometers of Nantucket of Alaska. 4.6 earthquake recorded 243 kilometers south and southeast of Shia of Argentina. 4.7 earthquake recorded in the same in Argentina once again. That was a 4.7, 36 kilometers south of Argentina. 4.4 earthquake recorded 37 kilometers southwest of Kruk of Tajikistan. 5.2 earthquake recorded 135 kilometers north of Land, Papua New Guinea. 4.5 earthquake recorded 107 kilometers north of Seoul, Bantu. 5.3 earthquake recorded southeast of the Loyal Islands. 5.1 earthquake recorded in Oman Fracture Zone region. 4.5 earthquake recorded 1 kilometer northeast of Tanliretio of New Zealand. And you had a 4.0 earthquake recorded 8 kilometers east of Peralta, Costa Rica. 5.1 earthquake recorded 63 kilometers northeast of Allinger Bantu region. 5.4 earthquake recorded 35 kilometers northeast of Sebio, Burma, Myanmar. 4.6 earthquake recorded in the Borneo Islands of Japan region. 3.2 earthquake recorded 65 kilometers north of Torres Nevadas of Ponte, Puerto Rico. 4.4 earthquake recorded 95 kilometers south of Puerto San Jose, Guatemala. 4.6 earthquake recorded south of the Fuji Islands. 5.1 earthquake recorded 102 kilometers south of Puerto San Jose, Guatemala. 4.9 earthquake in Carlsbad Ridge. It's the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fruitful signs and great signs shall be heaven." Right now, we're seeing earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the latest earthquakes in diverse places as of July the 18th, 2025, Friday. So with that, like, give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Hashem, Makakadash, in the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Hamashiach Kapashai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashmakadash tongue, Barak Thumb, to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Akwa, from the next time, say Shalom.